Does anybody know how to tighten this piece on an old school typewriter? It is the piece, let's see, so if you look down there, it's the piece that holds the paper in place, but it's really loose, and watch. Right? I shouldn't be able to push the paper through like that on its own. So what happens is when I'm typing, it slowly pulls the paper more and more and more and more and more and more crooked, and I end up with something not typable. This is old school Smith Corona, probably, I don't know, 70s. It's got the old, purple or black and red ribbon spools. If anybody knows how to tighten this or has a different solution, please let me know.